In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete comments in Smartsheet individually or in bulk. Let's start with deleting a single comment. First, locate the row that contains the comment you want to remove. You'll see a small speech bubble icon on that row. Go ahead and click it to open the comment panel. Find the exact comment you want to delete. On the right side of that comment, you'll see a three dots menu. Click that, choose Delete Comment, and when the confirmation prompt appears, confirm the deletion. That's it for removing one comment. A quick tip here. You need the right permissions to delete comments. If you don't see the delete option, check with the sheet owner or an admin. Now, if you're facing a lot of comments and don't want to delete them one by one, here's a simple workaround that removes all comments from a row at once while preserving the row's data. Start by copying the row that has the comments. Next, use the menu next to the row number, the small drop-down or three dots icon, and choose Insert Row Above or Insert Row Below. This will create a brand new blank row directly above or below. Click into that new row and paste the data you copied. You'll now have a clean copy of the row's content without any comments attached. Finally, go back to the original row, the one that contains the comments, and delete the entire row using that same row menu. Select Delete and confirm. When the row is deleted, its comments are deleted with it, and your pasted row remains in place, comment-free. A couple of best practices as you do this. Double check that your pasted row includes everything you need before removing the original. If you accidentally delete the wrong row, use Undo right away. Also, remember that this technique focuses on cell data. If your original row had attachments or other special items, you may need to reattach or re-add them after the paste, depending on your setup. This workaround is especially helpful when there are many comments on a row and you want a quick reset without manually deleting each one. And there you have it, how to delete comments in Smartsheet individually and a quick trick for clearing them in bulk by duplicating your row and removing the original. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.